Kuzocaca kusasa ngedumela leqembu eliholwa umengameli u-Ian Khama uma ngabe abantu abangu-824,000 ababhalisele ukuvota sebefaka amavoti abo. Amaqembu aphikisayo senquma ukusebenzisana ngemizamo yokugudluza iqembu elibusa eBotswana Democratic Party. I-BDP yehlukana phakathi ngo-2010, izimbangi zasola uKhama ngokuba uNdlovu kayiphendulwa. Kanti selokhu basesihlalweni ukusukela ngo-2008. Emkhankasweni wokhetho, uKhama unxuse abalandeli bakhe ukuthi bavotele iqembu lakhe uma befuna ukuthuthukela phambili.
We've been surviving with BDP. So if we don't vote BDP, we are going to suffer a lot.
Kodwa akusibona bonke abantu abathanda usekwenziwe i-BDP. I-Botswana Congress Party isola iqembu elibusayo ngokuthatha imisebenzi lihambise phesheya kwezilwandle. Kanti ne-Umbrella for Democratic Change eyahlubuka ku-BDP ithi sekuyisikhathi soshintsho.
I think the Botswana Democratic Party is now tired. It's run out of ideas to develop the country. We're experiencing an alarming depreciation of the democracy that Botswana has always been touted to be. And I think for the first time in the political history of the country, there's a formidable coalition in the Umbrella for Democratic Change that presents a real meaningful prospect of changing the government.
I-Botswana ngelinye lamazwe asezansi nezwekazi lase-Afrika acebe kakhulu ngedayimane. Ithathwa njengezwe eliyisibonelo esihle sokusebenza kwentando yeningi e-Afrika, kodwa emva kokuboshwa kakamuva kukamhleli wephephandaba kanye nokuntsunywa kwezinkambo zabalandeli bamaqembu aphikisayo sekwenze ukuthi ibuye ibukwe ngamanye amehlo.